Students watching, we're ready to begin our phonics lesson. Let's begin our phonics lesson by standing, and we'll look together at our special sound chart, chart 6. You join with us as we say the special sounds and clue words. Here we go, together. K and duck, C-K. E and me, E. O and go, O. I and fly, Y, I. A and pray, A. And stop, S-T. Pull and play, P-L, pull. Fur and frog, F-R, fur. Tur and train, T-R. Tur. Sh and ship, S-H. And thick, T-H. And this, T-H. Bull and block, E-L, bull. Cull and clock, C-L, cull. Full and flake, F-L, full. Gold and glue, G-L. Have a seat. Students watching, I know you did as well as the boys and girls in our classroom. Victoria, Trey, and Aria, I noticed your eyes never left my pointer. Good. Here's why. This time we're going to go backward to see how well we know these special sounds. Students watching, you join us. Boys and girls in our classroom, you ready? Let's start together. Gold and glue, G-L, glue. Full and flake, F-L, full. Cull and clock, C-L, cull. Good. Bull and block, B-L, bull. And this, T-H, and thick, T-H. Sh and ship, S-H. Tur and train, T-R, tur. Fur and frog, F-R, fur. Pull and play, P-L. And stop, S-T. A and pray, A-Y, A. I and fly, Y. I. O and go, O. E and me, E. And duck, C-K. What a nice start. Now let's take a challenge. Girls and girls watching, stand up. Boys and boys watching, you just listen and watch. Let's see how well our girls and girls watching know special sounds. Follow my pointer together.
S-H.
A and pray.
A-Y, A.
Cull and clock.
F.
Careful, let's try this again. Cull and clock, C-L.
Cull.
Have a seat. That was a good start. Boys and boys watching, it's your turn. Girls and girls watching, you just listen and watch. Ready for Kobe. Boys and boys watching, here we go.
E and me, E. And stop, S-T.
And this, T-H. Excellent. You can have a seat. Boys and boys watching really knew those special sounds. Now let's take a moment and let's go back to review some special sounds that we've already learned together. In fact, why don't we have our girls watching and Aria share with us this special sound?
A and pray, A-Y, A.
Excellent job. Everyone stand up. Let's say this special sound together. A and pray, A-Y.
A.
Good job. You can have a seat and let's look at some words on the back of our A and pray card. Now remember, when you see A and Y together, what sound will that A make, Trey? Long sound or short sound?
Short sound.
He says short sound. Do you agree, students watching? And Trey, they're all shaking their heads no at you. What is the sound we'll say?
Long sound.
It is. It says the A, acorn sound, so the long sound of A. Now, let's look at these words on the back. Students watching, you'll be reading these words in your mind as well as the boys and girls in this classroom. I'm going to give a clue for one of the words. And then I'm going to ask one person to find the clue with my teacher pointer and another person to tell me the answer to our clue. Students watching, you help as well. Here's our first one. We might eat our lunch on this. Did you find it? Titus, why don't you come point to the word? And Benjamin, what word is Titus going to point to?
Tray.
Tray is it. You might eat your lunch on a tray. Good job, Titus and Benjamin. I'll take that back, Titus. Here's my next clue. A horse loves to eat this. Victoria, you come point to the word. And Aslan, what's the answer to my clue? What might a horse love to eat? Do you know, girls watching? Well, that's not something a horse is going to eat. Oh, don't guess. Read the words with your eyes and think to yourself, what does a horse eat?
Apples.
Well, apples, but apples is not a choice on here. Why don't you read those words with your mind and see if you can find something a horse might like to eat? Did you find it, girls watching? Why don't we just...
Hay.
She found it. Do you see the word hay, Victoria? Look for it. See if you can find it. Now, careful. Listen to the beginning. Hay. That's it. What word is that again, Victoria? What's the whole word?
Hay.
And what special sound do you see in the word hay? That's it. And how do you say that special sound?
Yes. If there's a special sound with if there's a special sound with a vowel, it makes it long sound.
So we'll say A and pray, right? And it's A-Y. Thanks, Victoria, and thanks, Aslan. Now we have another special sound we want to look at. Let's have our boys watching at Emory remind us of this special sound.
It's got S-T.
Good for you. Everyone stand up. Let's say this special sound together. And stop. S-T. Nice job. You can have a seat. Let's see if we can do the same thing. We'll find some clues. First one is this direction is the opposite of east. That's a hard one, isn't it? Let's have Hayden come find the word with our pointer. And what word means the opposite of east, students watching? And Hayden found it right away. Tell us the word that Hayden is pointing to, Victoria.
East.
Careful. Let's read the word she's pointing to. Don't guess. Use your skills. Put it all together.
What? West.
You did it. And west is the opposite of east. Good job, Hayden and Victoria. You figured it out. Here's our next clue. This is another name for a rock. That's a challenge one. Why don't we have Tanner come point to the word? And what is another name for a rock? Boys watching, you answer. And help us. Good job. Help us read that word, Kobe. What's our word?
Stone.
Stone is correct. Good for you. And thanks for your help with finding that quickly, Tanner. Now, we've been working on how we mark vowels and how we read words with certain numbers of vowels. So let's stand up and let's say our one vowel rule together. Students watching, you join us. When there is one vowel in a word, it usually says its short sound. We mark it with a smile. Now our two vowel rule. When there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel says its long sound. The second one is silent. Have a seat. Well, let's put those rules into practice with some words up on our screen. Let's begin with this first word, Emory. Come mark the vowel and then you can have a seat. Go to this word and mark the vowel Aslan, then you can have a seat. Let's have Kobe come to this word and we'll finish up with Trey. Mark your vowels and then have a seat. While they're doing that, we're going to look at some special cards called these clue word cards. Remember, when I show you the clue word card, you'll see the special sound that I want you to tell me the clue word. So students watching, answer this first. And what is our clue word, Aria?
Pull.
Pull in.
Plane.
That's it. So you'll say just plain. What's our answer?
Plane.
Plain is correct. Good job, Aria. Let's move to this one. Students watching, just the clue word. And check their answer for us, Titus.
Full.
Oh, that's the special sound. What's the clue word? I say fur in.
Frog.
So say just. Just frog is it. Go on to this one, Hayden. Just the clue word.
Stop.
Nice, girls watching. And check their answer, Victoria.
Pray.
Pray is correct. Boys watching. And check their answer, Tanner.
Duck.
Duck is correct. Now let's come over to our board and let's see how our students did. Students watching, you be ready to read these words as well. We'll begin with Emory's word and let's have Aria read this word to us.
Hug.
And do you agree with how Emory marked his vowel?
Yes.
I do too. He put a smile because there's one vowel. Now we'll go to Victoria's word. And Victoria, I want you to help me tell. Okay, this was Aria's word, or Aslan's word. Aslan, would you like to help me out and tell me how to mark this one? What do we need to put above this vowel?
A smile.
Why?
Because it's short sound.
It is. So read the word to me as well, Aslan.
Sun.
Sun is correct. One vowel. It'll say it's short sound. Go to this word and read this word to me, please. Titus, nice smile.
Time.
How many vowels in this word?
2.
So the first vowel says it's,
Sound.
and the second one is?
Silent.
Good job. And Hayden, go to our last word for us. What word do you see?
Name.
Be a little louder.
Name.
How many vowels in this word, Hayden?
2.
So the first vowel says it's,
Name.
and the second one is?
Silent.
Good thinking. Benjamin, could you come get our eraser and erase that for us? And now we're ready to learn 2 more special sounds. This first special sound is something that you might go on if you take a long trip. What might you get on, students watching? And what might you get on, Aslan?
A plane.
That's right. Our new special sound is pull in plane, P-L, pull, pull, pull. Listen as I say it again. Pull in plane, P-L, pull, pull, pull. Together, pull in plane, P-L.
Pull, pull, pull.
That sounded good. Rows 1 and 2 stand up. Students watching that you as well. Let's say our special sound together. Pull in plane, P-L.
Pull, pull,
Good work. Rows 3 and 4 stand up. Let's say our new special sound together. Pull in plane.
P-L. Pull, pull, pull.
Have a seat. So when you see P and L together, what are you going to say, Trey?
Pull.
You're right. Good job. Let's turn to the next side and everyone's ready to read. We're starting out with a challenge word. Could I have my students watching begin with a special sound and the challenge word? And Titus, check their answer. Start with this very beginning part. What does that say?
Plane.
Look, one more time. We're actually going to act like this vowel is not there right now. So just act as if you got a 1 vowel word.
Plan.
Plan. Now give me the short sound of the vowel.
F.
And? Okay, so put it together.
F.
Okay, so begin with the first part.
Planet.
Yes, say it again.
Planet.
That was a challenge word. Do you know what a planet is, Titus?
A place that people live on.
Right, it's
They
Earth or
there's
that's right. Some planets people don't live on, but Earth is the planet we live on. Go to this word and read this word to me. Arya, good eyes.
plus.
Super. Go to this word. I love this word. Girls watching, read this word first. And then check their work for us. Aslan. Please is it. That's a word I hope you say often. Go to this next word and Victoria, read this word to me. Good smile, Emery. Careful. Put it all together.
Hug.
Put it all together. Don't forget this special sound. So what's your special sound? Good. Pull. Okay, put it together.
Plug. Pug.
Put more of a pull sound. Let's try it one more time. What is it?
Pug.
Oh, don't put pug. Put this special sound. Put it all together.
Pug.
Now careful, let's do something. Let's say this special sound for Victoria. Students watching, you join us. Pull and play. P-L, pull, pull, pull. So Victoria, you want to start with a pull sound at the beginning.
Pug.
Pull, pull, pull.
Pug. Pug.
Now get your vowel sounds.
Pug.
Pull, what's your vowel sound?
Pug.
You've almost got it. Try one more time. So pull, plug.
Plug.
There you go. You can do it. Remember, start with your blend, then add your ending consonant. This word, read it to us, Emery. Good eyes.
Plate.
Excellent. And finish with this last word, Benjamin.
Plan.
Nice. Now we have another special sound I want us to look at, and this is something you might find at a pond. What might you find at a pond, Trey?
Frog.
That's it. Our new special sound is fur in frog. F-R, fur, fur, fur. Listen as I say it again. Fur in frog, F-R, fur, fur, fur. Together, fur in frog.
F-R. Fur, fur, fur.
Boys and boys watching, stand up. Boys and boys watching, let's say this together. Fur in frog, F-R.
Fur, fur, fur.
Good. Girls and girls watching, let's say this together. Fur in frog, F-R, fur, fur, fur. You can have a seat. Let's look at our words on the back. Let's read for speed. First word, Hayden.
Grass.
You might see that on the grass if it's cold outside. Next word, girls watching, read this word with Aria.
Fruit.
Check your vowels.
Fruit.
One more time. What's your vowel going to say?
Fruit.
Almost got it. What is this vowel going to say, Aria? Think about its name. What's the name of it?
Fruit.
Careful. What is this vowel? Its name. There's two vowels in this word. So what is the name of this vowel?
Mute.
There you go. Put it together.
Fute.
Now get your special sound at the beginning.
Fruit.
How many vowels? Check those vowels again. So check this vowel. What is it going to say?
Fruit.
There you go. Say it again.
Fute.
Almost. What's your beginning special sound?
Fur.
Fur. Now what's your vowel sound?
Mute.
Put it together.
Furt.
Almost got it. Let's say for Aria our new special sound together. Fur in frog, F-R, fur, fur, fur. So start with that fur sound at the beginning.
Fruit.
Vowel sound. What's your vowel going to say?
Fute.
Now put your fur sound, and you've got it. You're really close. So fur.
Mute.
There you go, just like an apple or an orange. Now I'm going to say it. You say it after me. Pull, pull, pull.
Pull, pull,
Pull, pull, pull is pull and play.
pull, pull, pull is pull and play.
Fur, fur, fur.
Fur, fur, fur.
Fur, fur, fur is fur and frog.
Fur, fur, fur is fur and frog.
Let's look at some words, and let's start with this first word here. First question is, what is my special sound in this word? Aslan?
PL.
PL, so I'll circle it. How many vowels, Aslan?
One.
Mark it with a,
Smile.
and read the word to me. That's correct. Let's go to this one right here. Boys watching, answer with Kobe. Kobe, what is my special sound in this word?
Fur.
Fur and frog. How should I mark my vowels? First vowel says it's.
Long sound.
Second one is.
Silent.
All right, read our word to us, boys watching, and Kobe.
Free.
That's it. Tanner, read this word. Nice. Go to this one, Titus.
Fly.
Nice. There's two special sounds. He noticed both of them. Read this word to me, Benjamin.
Plan.
Nice. Go to this word for us, Trey. Good eyes.
Close.
Nice. Go to this word. Oh, this is a challenge. Students watching, answer with this word right along with Emery. What's our word?
Play.
Excellent. And finish up with this last word right here for us, please, Benjamin.
Freed.
Careful. How many vowels in this word?
Fred.
And notice our capital letter, it's someone's name. Prepare for mini sheet. So carefully get out that mini sheet. Students watching, you can get that mini sheet nice and close to you. Eyes. Write the vowel, eh, eh. Good. Nice and fast. Got it, Hayden, already. Eyes, I, I. Good, Trey. Eyes, ah, ah. Nice job waiting, Titus. Good. Eyes, ah, ah. Eyes, Let's quickly check our work, so pencils down, fingers ready to check. Victoria. What letter says
E.
That's correct. Trey.
I.
Titus.
O.
Hayden.
A.
Tanner.
U.
That's right. Draw a small line and let's see if we can write a word. Eyes. Write the word tub. I took a bath in the tub. Tub. So think what says t, what says what says b, and then put it together for your word. Good, Hayden. That's it, Trey. So neat. Good, Victoria. You got it. Eyes. Hot. It is hot outside. Hot. Good. Good, Kobe. Let's quickly check the words that we just wrote. The first word is tub, and it is T-U-B. The next word is hot. It is H-O-T. Students watching, how did you do writing those words?